Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little bit weird right now, and that is because I only have on foundation and literally nothing else. So in today's video, as you probably already saw from the title, I'm going to be trying out the Real Techniques, what is this? The Miracle Powder Sponge, and I'm right at the point where I need some powder. So I have that, and I also have the infamous, the viral Sky High Maybelline mascara. So we're just gonna try those out today, do our makeup together, and I'm going to try to keep this video under 10 minutes because my videos get out of hand with the time. So this sponge feels so cool. Let me see if you're supposed to wet this. Use damp or dry with setting, bronzer, highlight, and blush powders for a flawless finish. So you can do all of your powder products with this, apparently. I'm going to try it out dry today. I'm going to see if that works for me. So let's get into it. I've already applied the Pacifica Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer and then also the Ilia True Skin Foundation. I've just been using this up lately, so yeah, put that on. I'm going to quickly put on some concealer before I blend with that powder because I want to blend this out with powder too. I'm like sweating for some reason. What the heck? All right, so we're ready to powder. I'm going to use my, what is this? The translucent setting powder veil from Hourglass. And I haven't understood the packaging yet. I feel like no product comes out. All right, let's test this little sponge. It's kind of like really hard, so when I put the powder on, I feel like I'm like hitting myself in the face. It doesn't feel like I'm bouncing a sponge on me. Maybe this would definitely be better off wet. I don't know, my face is looking good though where I'm powdering. It's kind of weird just because it's different, and I feel like anytime you do something different in your routine, it just feels wrong at first, which is how this feels. Alright, my face is looking good. I'm still not in love with the application though. I feel like my product is caking on the sponge, and I feel like a brush is so much faster. Let me get it down my neck. I would say this might be better for people who are putting on a full coverage foundation and then want a full coverage heavy like look almost. I feel like it's taking off my foundation. You can see the redness coming through on my nose and on my cheeks. Yeah, not in love. This is not the miracle product I thought it was gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. It's making my eyes look weird. Normally when I have creases from my concealer on my eyes, I can blend it away and then I'll just use a brush and sweet powder on, and then it doesn't crease again. But this is still creasing. Alright, yeah, don't love. Do not recommend that. I feel like that's useless. Actually, I still want to try it though for blush and bronzer, just to see if maybe it's better at applying that. So I'm just going to use the same sponge. I'm kind of nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm using my favorite bronzer. It is the, oh my god, I'm so nervous. This is the Hourglass one. How do you like knock off excess product? Oh my gosh, I don't want to do it. This is going on freaking pigmented and there's like nothing I can do about it. Okay, this has gotten interesting. I'm just gonna kind of lay down product and then I'm gonna spend an hour blending. Yeah, that just went on way too pigmented for how I like bronzer. if you're dealing with like a not pigmented bronzer, then maybe this will work for you. I just feel like I look overdone. I don't know, my skin kind of looks good from afar. Up close, I look a little powdery, but from afar, I don't know, kind of look good. We'll see if I can pull it through in the end, but so far, this is not a product for me. Now I'm gonna go in with my blush, and this is actually, so this is Dim Infusion by Hourglass. I love this shade, but sometimes if I'm doing a super bronzy look, this kind of gets lost on my skin. So I'm gonna see what it looks like with this powder brush, obviously. I don't love. I feel like it sucked out all of like the beautiful sparkle or like dazzle that this blush has, and it's just leaving me with this like really flat red color. All right, yeah, no, not for me. I mean, this blush is for me. This is not for me. All right, we've tested it. We don't like it. Let's move on to some more fun things. I'm gonna quickly do the rest of my makeup, and I'll just speed through it so you guys can see what I do. But yeah, I look like a freaking clown. Oh my god, that's so bad. All right, yeah, I'm gonna speed up through my makeup. All right, so I just set my face. Now I'm going to try the infamous Sky High Mascara. Okay. So it's one of those plastic wands. Super flexible and bendable. Let's see if this works. So I haven't done anything to my eyelashes. They are not primed. They're not curled. This is just a natural lash experience. All right, here is the difference between one coat and then no coats on my other eye. I think it looks really good. I'm getting some good separation. I'm getting some good volume. I'm not necessarily getting much length, but let's go into the second coat. I think it looks really good. It's not crazy. I feel like everybody's saying this makes your lashes look like 10 miles long. I'm not getting any length from it. I am getting some volume. Overall, I think it's a good mascara. There's nothing wrong with it. I like how flexible the wand is, the applicator. There's no pulling, there's no tugging. The flexibility just makes it like glide through your lashes. I'll go in with the second coat as well. All right, this is what we have going on today. I think it looks good. I wouldn't say it looks like any different than other mascaras I use. I have been using the Gucci mascara, and I think I get a kind of similar effect, even though I like this wand better. I wish this wand had that formula. It looks good. It doesn't seem like it's gonna be flaky at all. I did get it a little bit on my eyeshadow, but that happens with literally every single mascara that I use. I just can't seem to keep it on my lashes. And I'm not wearing any lip product today. I'm literally just wearing, or any like colored product. I'm just wearing the Burt's Bees Ultra Conditioning Lip Balm. Favorite. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I had so much fun playing with some new makeup today. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, definitely don't pick up those sponges. They are not worth it. This, if you see it, yeah, pick it up. It's not terrible. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day and the best week ever, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell notification so you can get notified when I upload another video. And alright, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!